My name's Norm Grunberg, Master Technician with Horne Auto Center, the store that saves you more. Today's subject matter is headaches of check engine lights and the causes, simple little causes. Aftermarket add-ons. Adding LED lights to the vehicle can affect drivability issues, can affect all your safety components. Rear window, defoggers, mirror defoggers, forward shooting sonar systems, side collision avoidance systems. These things have a tendency to get in there. The vehicles, they come in with these issues. We'll spend a great deal of time diagnosing these vehicles, trying to get the source, and we'll generally isolate it when we discover it's an LED add-on, it's a fire stick, it's a memory stick, it's a DVD player, whether it's plugged into the front, added into the top. And the unfortunate thing is the manufacturer doesn't warranty these types of repairs. So you can end up with a $300, $400, $500 repair to find out it was a simple little mistake. So with that said, when you do get a check engine light and you bring your vehicle into a dealership, you want to maybe let your service writer know that you've added something to the vehicle. So you'll be quite surprised at things that they'll affect. On my screen here, you can see some pictures, and this is directly from General Motors where they have experienced these issues. Here's another example, aftermarket LED lights, little marker lights, little interior lights, dash lights, because they operate with little memory boards, and they operate on their binary code, and they send pulses out, and that's what this vehicle, the newer vehicles, all operate on these pulse rates. You can see here's interior lighting, more interior lighting, dash lighting, even those aftermarket ones that you buy at Walmart or any aftermarket store, parts store. This looks cool. Put the LED lights in, changes colors. Those are creating problems for your vehicle. But when you're driving down the road and the vehicle is communicating, all computers are up online, these things will get tangled up in the system and create issues. Simplest little items, your little USB plug-ins, you leave it plugged in the dash, car sitting overnight, it's got a little red light on, a little green control light. That thing is actually communicating and disrupting communication within the vehicle. So if you enjoyed this video, please like or comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more.